I need a generator that will run all day for me. I need to have constant power. I don't need to have it shut down at any time. I need it to run for 9 to 12 hours a day, wherever our schedule allows us.
If our generator would fail, we have the potential to lose 3,000 to 5,000 tons of production per day. We started working with MTU in the fall of 2009 when we were contacted by the distributor that there was an opportunity to do a demo on a unit. Prior to this test, I knew nothing about MTU. I had not been exposed to it.
With the MTU generator, we have had 0 problems with it. And that's from the morning we start it up until we shut it down. There's no hoses, no leaks, no dead batteries. Every time we need it, it's there.
Wendling Quarries has over 120 quarry locations. Our quarries are located in east central Iowa. Simplest way to describe what we do is like the Flintstones from years ago. We take big rocks and make small rocks out of them. A rock will be from 1/4 inch all the way up to 250 pounds. We produce over 5 million tons of product per year. Anytime you're going to build anything, be it a church, a school, a road, you're going to be using our product.
Wendling Quarries has 5 portable crushing plants that can move from quarry to quarry, and we also have 2 stationary plants.
On a typical plant, each piece of equipment will have 1 or more electric motors, and an average plant will have in the area of 20 to 30 different smaller motors. We own and operate somewhere in the area of 2 to 3 dozen generator sets. We are presently using 3 other different generator brands, and MTU would be comparable and as good as the best that we probably have at this time.
Fill up Raven's truck there if you can, if he hasn't done it yet, fuel it and grease it. Our daily average load on our MTU on-site generator is right around 350 kW.
The engine that we are using at this time is a 12V 1600 series unit. The unit can produce 600 kW standby and 550 kW prime. The
MTU on-site energy unit is performing fabulously with all the dust. We've had extreme dusty conditions and it's never ever failed us yet.
Our crushers will run non-stop for 9 to 12 hours per day, 5 to 6 days per week.
With the MTU generator that we were using, we have started it in the cold weather last winter. I believe it was like 8 or 9 below zero. We hit the button and it started. If we're outside today, guys, if it gets hot, you drink lots of water. We got some up in the scale house. We got some over here in the coolers too. But
on a typical summer day where there's not much breeze in a quarry, it can easily exceed 100 degrees. The MTU on-site energy generator is running at about 50% capacity, burning about 17.5 gallons per hour. And that's very competitive with what we're doing with other equipment, if not a little bit better.
We currently have 36 weeks and 1,100 hours on our MTU on-site generator. Whenever we prototype something, there's always a little glitch. Maybe nothing major, but there's always a little bit of a glitch. In this one here, there's nothing.
The engine on this gen set will probably have other applications within our industry which are going to be used for whether it be in a truck or an end loader or other off-road equipment.
The support from our factory and the MTU distributor has been great. They work around our schedule, which is a huge bonus for us. Oil change went good then? Everything looked good?
Everything looked good.
At this point, what we've seen with the 12V 1600 unit, it has been very successful, and we definitely look at purchasing one if the opportunity arises.
I love it. MTU is an A+. It compares with everything else we got or better. It's great.